Comes in this packaging that has the company branding, model name, product image at the front. On one side we have the model name and on the other we have the awards mention that this model or company has won. At the back of this packaging we have the key features printed. Let's unbox this and see what all we get inside. Inside the box we get the power adapter, charging cable, user manual, SIM eject tool, a TPU case and the smartphone. The smartphone comes in a polycarbonate housing and has a glossy texture. At the back of this phone we have the Redmi branding and the camera setup that also houses the flash. At the bottom we have the speaker grill, Type-C charging port and a microphone. At the top of this device we get the 3.5mm headphone jack, IR blaster and another microphone for noise cancellation. On the side we have the volume buttons and the side mounted fingerprint sensor that also acts as a power key, and on the other side we have the SIM slot. At the front we have the LCD display that comes with a 90Hz refresh rate and also houses the front camera. The phone comes with a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus dot display with 90Hz refresh rate and adaptive refresh rate technology. It also has 180Hz touch sampling rate. The colors look great and it is a great display to view movies and play games. We have a quad camera setup, 50 megapixel plus 8 megapixel plus 2 megapixel plus 2 megapixel and a front camera that is 8 megapixel. The native camera app comes with a ton of great features to up our photography game. We can choose from photos, videos, pro and whatnot. We have a gigantic 6000 mAh battery on this device with 18W fast charging support up to 9W reverse charging. We tested its limits by watching movies, playing games, calling and listening to lossless music online, and even then we were left with a decent amount of battery left at the end of the day.